In this video, we're going to be going over the new Instagram Restyles tool for your stories. So I'm going to jump on my phone and I'll show you exactly how you can use this. So in order to use this tool, instead of doing it for Reels like you would with the Edits app, you can do this all inside of Instagram so you don't have to navigate to other apps. So all you're going to do is go in and post like you're going to post a story here. And if I just come in and let's say I want to use this photo right here, I'm going to click into that photo. And you should see a little wand at the top, a little paintbrush. So we're going to click on that paintbrush at the very top. And you're going to see it's going to bring me to something that says Restyle with Meta AI. Now, this is a beta, but what you can do here is we can add objects, remove objects, change colors. If I want to change the color of my shirt, if it was an image like that, I could do that. So there's a lot of different things you can do. And you can see at the bottom, you have a button that says add, remove, or change. So if I say I want to remove, and I'm going to say remove the black case on the left. So let's say there's a product photo and I want to have this candle looking better. I can have it do this. You can have it remove backgrounds, items in your background, and you can see it remove something. Now it did add something else, but at the bottom, you'll see it gave me two different versions of this. So it still left a little shadow there. It's not perfect on this background, but when it's just general background, it does a lot better than things like on a desk here. And you can always click the refresh button at the bottom and it'll regenerate or retry it again. And we could always say, make that dark spot the same color as the rest. Maybe I want to say, let's add something. Let's add a flame to the candle so it looks like it's lit. Now this one might be a little bit difficult because I didn't get a great photo of this example here, but there's a lot you can do here. It's pretty much just an AI image generation tool, and you can see it did pretty good here. Now it looks like that candle is actually lit, and I could add in some different backgrounds if I wanted to. I could put something like add a hand with a lighter lighting the candle flame. I could add that and see what it comes up with, and it does it pretty quickly. So you can see that's not a great example. If we look at version 2, we don't like that. Maybe I want it coming from the other side. Hands are usually something AI is not great with. So you can do a lot of different things. You can get as crazy as you want. I could say, make this a black and white photo, and I can change this in here. But again, clicking on that add, remove, or change button's pretty helpful when you want to come in and change things. So you can see it kind of made it black and white. And if I wanted to, I could say, make the flame only orange. So there's a lot of different things you can do. I could say add a dragon breathing fire into the candle. And you can see, obviously, there's so many different things you can do with this. You can do them pretty quickly, change the whole candle here. So with generating brand new images or objects, it does not do great. The more specific you are with this, the better you can do. But doing easy touch-ups, changes, those kind of things are very easy with this. Things like text is not what you're going to want to use this for. Use other tools, but recoloring, touching up things, it's great for doing those small things without having to leave the app. And you can always come in, undo any of the changes you made, and always come and click back in and change these. And then from here, we could go in and post this if we wanted to when we're done. And we would just post it to our story like normal. So that's how you can use this new tool.